Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Today, we'll be delving into the powerful combination of artificial intelligence, AI, and blockchain and how they're revolutionizing the world we live in. So, buckle up as we uncover the future of technology and discuss 10 ways AI and blockchain are changing the game. Segment 1. AI and blockchain in healthcare. Let's kick things off with one of the most critical sectors, healthcare. AI is revolutionizing healthcare through improved diagnostic precision, customized treatment strategies, and efficient patient care. Machine learning algorithms have progressed to a stage where they can handle enormous quantities of medical data, recognize patterns, and generate predictions with remarkable accuracy. A prime example is Google's DeepMind, which has designed an AI system capable of identifying eye conditions with a remarkable 94% accuracy level, surpassing human experts. Moving on to blockchain, this technology has become an essential component in healthcare by guaranteeing data security and preserving patient privacy. Medical records can be safely stored and exchanged on blockchain networks, fostering smooth collaboration among healthcare providers while upholding patient confidentiality. This, in turn, can lead to more informed decisions and enhanced health outcomes. Segment 2. AI and blockchain in finance. Moving on to the financial sector, AI and blockchain have made significant strides in transforming the industry. AI is now utilized to evaluate market data, forecast trends, and refine trading tactics. Robo-advisors, driven by AI algorithms, currently provide customized investment guidance at a significantly lower cost than conventional financial advisors. Conversely, blockchain has established a foundation for cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, contesting the traditional financial system and presenting innovative methods of value transfer. The decentralized essence of blockchain further facilitates the creation of smart contracts, which are self-executing arrangements that automate numerous financial processes, thereby removing middlemen and decreasing transaction expenses. Segment 3. AI and blockchain in agriculture. Let's talk about agriculture. AI is revolutionizing this sector by providing farmers with data-driven insights to optimize crop yields and minimize resource waste. AI-powered systems can analyze various factors, such as weather conditions, soil health, and pest activity, to provide tailored recommendations for crop management. Segment 4. AI and blockchain in education. Education is another sector experiencing AI and blockchain's transformative effects. AI-driven adaptive learning platforms, like Dreambox and Newton, can analyze student performance in real time and adjust learning content accordingly, ensuring students receive the right level of challenge and support. Blockchain, on the other hand, can contribute to the transformation of education by providing a secure, decentralized platform for storing and sharing educational records. Segment 5. AI and blockchain in energy. AI and blockchain technologies are playing a critical role in transitioning to a more sustainable and efficient energy future. AI can optimize energy consumption and production, while blockchain can enable decentralized energy markets, where individuals can trade excess renewable energy with their neighbors, fostering clean energy adoption. The Brooklyn Microgrid project is an example of a localized energy trading platform using blockchain to facilitate peer-to-peer energy transactions. Segment 6. AI and blockchain in transportation. In transportation, AI-powered autonomous vehicles and smart city development are transforming the industry. AI serves as the catalyst for autonomous vehicles, empowering them to maneuver through intricate environments and make instantaneous decisions for secure and effective transportation. Blockchain can aid the shift towards smart transportation systems by offering a safe, decentralized framework for data exchange among vehicles, infrastructure, and service providers. This can lead to improved traffic control, diminished congestion, and enhanced resource utilization. Toyota, as an example, is investigating the application of blockchain technology to facilitate the advancement of self-driving cars and bolster data protection. Segment 7. AI and blockchain in manufacturing. Within the manufacturing industry, blockchain can boost the clarity and tracking of supply chains, confirming that every component and material adheres to quality and safety guidelines. This enables manufacturers to promptly pinpoint and resolve problems, lowering the chances of product recalls and preserving consumer confidence. Segment 8. AI and blockchain in entertainment. The entertainment industry is also experiencing a revolution, thanks to AI and blockchain technologies. AI can generate realistic virtual worlds, create lifelike characters, and even compose original music. Conversely, blockchain can bolster the entertainment industry by facilitating decentralized content distribution, safeguarding intellectual property rights, and creating new income opportunities for creators. For example, Singular DTV is a blockchain-powered entertainment platform that empowers artists to deliver their content straight to their audience, sidestepping conventional middlemen and maintaining greater control over their profits. Segment 9. AI and blockchain tackling global challenges. Subsequently, let's explore the capacity of AI and blockchain to tackle some of the most critical worldwide concerns, like climate change and inequality. AI can contribute to tracking and anticipating the ramifications of climate change, enhancing resource efficiency, and fostering the invention of cutting-edge eco-friendly technologies. Microsoft's AI for Earth initiative stands as a prime illustration of how AI can be utilized to address environmental issues. Segment 10. AI and blockchain enhancing disaster response and recovery. Now, let's explore how AI and blockchain technologies are transforming disaster response and recovery efforts, a vital element in maintaining public safety and welfare. AI can be utilized to anticipate and evaluate potential impacts of natural disasters such as hurricanes, earthquakes, and wildfires. By examining vast amounts of data from satellite images, weather trends, and past incidents, AI-driven systems can provide real-time insights, allowing governments and organizations to plan and carry out efficient response measures, ultimately minimizing damage to lives and property. Conversely, blockchain technology can significantly enhance disaster relief operations by offering a secure and transparent platform for data exchange, resource distribution, and financial transactions. Decentralized systems can guarantee that assistance reaches the intended recipients promptly, reducing delays and corruption while boosting overall effectiveness. For example, the United Nations World Food Programme has successfully leveraged blockchain technology to provide aid to refugees, showcasing the technology's capabilities in addressing humanitarian challenges. Conclusion. As emphasized in this presentation, AI and blockchain technologies are forging a more effective, transparent, and environmentally friendly world that advantages all. As these technologies persist in evolving, their impact on our day-to-day lives is poised to expand, highlighting the necessity for individuals, businesses, and governments to adjust and maximize their potential fully. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through the world of AI and blockchain. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the future of technology. Until next time.